When it comes to DIY smartphone repairs, software issues often top the list. First, always start by performing a factory reset, which can resolve a multitude of problems with minimal fuss. Remember to back up your data to avoid any loss during this process. If your device runs sluggishly, consider uninstalling unused apps or clearing your cache. Another useful tip is regularly updating your device's software to fix bugs and improve performance. Embracing these techniques will not only save money, but also build your confidence in handling tech troubles.